What is going on, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. Would you take a look at how Palantir is moving today, guys? This is awesome. Up another 5%, bouncing over $25 per share on some news that we just got that we have to break down in this video. So yeah, we're going to break down the news, the charts, and what I'm looking to do and what I did a couple of days ago. I'm pretty sure I told you guys, but I'll update you guys again. So hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to get up to 15 stocks for Moomoo with at least a $100 deposit. And get this, guys, your uninvested cash will earn 8.1% APY. So check out the link down below, the QR code right here, or go to StasSurfS.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive right into the video. So Palantir stock is up over $25 per share on the day, up 5%, up $1.20, and it's clear to me, probably clear to you, that the uptrend is continuing and the dip was bought up. Look at this, guys. We hit $24 roughly yesterday. We held that higher low above the moving averages on the 1-hour chart, and we bounced. We took out the highs from yesterday, and you guys can clearly see as I draw these circles out, we've been making higher lows for weeks, right? And that's no secret, especially if you've been watching the channel here, right? So now it looks like, based on the 1-hour chart, that we're going right back to where we were in the end of June, which we hit, or not the end of June, we're in the end of June now. Well, I guess technically end of June, the 20th of June, about a week ago, we hit 2660. So it's obvious Palantir is heading right back to that point, maybe to break out, but definitely to test it, right? And I think if we break out of 2660, we're probably going to start going towards 2750, which we hit back in the end of, actually no, not end of February, early March, we hit 2750. So that looks like it's where Palantir wants to go, and we have a clear cup and handle here forming on the 4-hour chart. Do you guys see this? We have the cup right here, boom, the handle. So let's see if we get out of $26.50, $27. This is a big spot of resistance coming up. And before we break down the news, let me tell you guys what I did. So a couple days ago in one of my accounts, I ended up selling out of some XLE, which is an energy ETF. I rebalanced a bit, I trimmed a little bit of that, and I took the proceeds and bought more Palantir. I'm pretty sure this was at the end of last week, so right around here I did this. It might have been last Thursday or Friday. I bought that dip. I bought the dip up after we went from 2660 to about 2350. I think I bought some in the mid-high 23s. I forget the exact price, and I'm glad I did that, man. I'm glad I averaged up and bought that dip, because now again we're pushing mid 25s, and who knows if we pull back down to the low 20s. Of course, it's a possibility. We might pull down again. Time will tell. It is the stock market after all, guys. Unpredictable. But yeah, I bought up the dip, and here we are starting to bounce, and I'm loving it. So let me share with you guys the news that just came out, and run the likes up, by the way, guys. Let's try and get at least 150 likes on this video, and make sure to subscribe. If you guys are not subscribed yet, I think 40 to 50%, 40 to 50% of you guys watch the content, but you're not subscribed. I don't know why. That's what my analytics tell me. I don't know why. So if that's you, make sure to subscribe. We're trying to get the 50,000 subs this year, so you guys can see Voyager Space and Palantir announce strategic partnership leveraging artificial intelligence to drive innovation in space technology. All right, let's dive deeper into this and see exactly what's going on. So Voyager, a global leader in space exploration, today announced a strategic partnership with Palantir, and together Voyager and Palantir will rapidly advance the space and defense technology sectors by integrating Palantir's cutting-edge AI tools across the Voyager enterprise, right? And this partnership solidifies Voyager's commitment to leading the space industry in AI-driven innovation, ensuring robust and agile solutions for defense and commercial applications. Expanding on a previous memorandum of understanding announced earlier this year, Voyager will now fully integrate Palantir's AI capabilities into their defense solutions, benefiting from Palantir's deep expertise delivering for the Department of Defense. This collaboration enhances communications, military research and development, as well as intelligence and space research, making space more accessible to the defense community and vice versa, which is very critical. And the president of Voyager Space, guys, he said, "We are thrilled to partner with Palantir, a company that shares our vision for leveraging technology to drive transformative change. And by embracing Palantir's game-changing AI across our operations, we not only enhance Voyager's defense tech capabilities, but also set a new standard for the broader aerospace industry. And this collaboration will enable us to deliver unprecedented value and innovation to our customers and, of course, stakeholders." And Voyager, of course, guys, take a look, will leverage Palantir Foundry and the AIP artificial intelligence platform to drive value in its in-house payload management system for International Space Station customers today, as well as onboard the Starlab commercial space station in the future, which you guys remember that partnership that we talked about in a previous video. And it is also building a prototype customer hub for its customers to submit payload requests via Palantir's software, right? And get this, guys, the partnership also bolsters Voyager's defense segment, offering the opportunity to use AI to process and optimize flight and testing data on solid fuel thrusters to ensure smooth flight. And Palantir's software can also help power increased real-time signal data processing and more precise targeting for Voyager's optical communication systems, again, for the DoD customers, Department of Defense. So this is the news that's moving the stock. So yet again, another partnership that's building on the recently announced partnerships that we got over the last week or two, which you guys probably remember that, right, with Starlab and the health partnership, which I forget exactly what that was called again off the top of my head. I'm sorry, guys. Don't hate on me for that. But yeah, the stock is moving like crazy, right? Well, maybe not like crazy, but it's moving in the right direction. Very good day overall for Palantir, as again, it's up over 5%. Now we're starting to pop over 25 bucks, which was a pretty big resistance over the last couple of days, but now we're getting through it, and it seems like we're also taking out the highs from the 16th of June, 2 days prior to us hitting 2660, which if I draw this out, you'll see what I'm talking about, right? So this is a very good sign. You guys see us breaking out of there. Now the next spot is, well, like I said earlier in this video, 2660, and then if that were to break, we're probably going to 2750, which was the high from March. So very, very big news from Palantir, another positive update, and we're moving in the right direction. So what are you guys doing? I told you guys what I did. I bought more shares a couple days ago, averaged up as the stock dipped. I bought the dip. Now, what are you doing? Are you buying? Are you selling? If you're against Palantir, let me know in the comments, please. I welcome you to. Or are you holding? Let me know in the comments. And guys, before you click off this video, don't forget to get up to 15 stocks from Moomoo with at least a $100 deposit, and your uninvested cash on the platform will earn 8.1% APY. It's a no-brainer, guys. It's free money. So use the link down below, the QR code right here, or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And of course, that is an affiliate link, guys. It helps out the channel. And again, I appreciate you all for using that link and all the links down below for that matter. You guys are awesome. And with that being said, cheers. I'll see you in the next video.